Okay, my name is NKD. My farm name is NKD Farms. It's good to have you. During our previous video, I made mention of I making my own locally made incubator. So I'm here to take you through. So you see, as you can see, this is an old fridge. Yes, this is an old fridge without motor. Yes, and now no, I've converted to a fridge incubator. Sorry, and then I use it to hatch eggs. So I have various types of eggs that I hatch. Can hatch guinea fowls eggs, um, foreign eggs, foreign eggs. If I say foreign eggs, that is using a foreign birds. So you as the camera is coming closer, you see that the eggs comes with different colors. You see, this is a brown looker. You see, this is brown eggs. You see, but there's also white. There's also light blue. Yes, this is from the iron. Yes, the light blue. So you see, the colors are different. The colors tells you that it comes with different types of breed. This is even geese eggs. This is geese eggs that I'm hatching. So you see, even currently as we are speaking, there have been some hatchery. You see, this is a Brahma breed. This is an iron smyrny, a fowl with black skin, black meat, black intestine. Everything is black. This is iron smyrny. Yes. This one as well. But this is a plumber truck. This is also a plumber truck. Yes. So you see, it gives me at least a 90% hatching. Yes. So um even the turning, I do it manually. Yes. If I say manually, I turn the eggs myself. Because when I started, I'm building one that it will be automatic turning. Yes. You see, you start from somewhere, then you get to somewhere. So the first one, I do the manual, but you see, as you are going by, then you're also learning. So I've also learned how to also do it to make it automatic turner. Yes.
So
So
do the manual 10 years.
yes. So you see, as you can see, all I do is I can just use my hand, just like this, just something like this, in the morning and then in the evening. Or if it is geese or duck's eggs, you will turn it like this. You turn it like this. You turn it like this. You turn it like this. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. Okay. So you see.
So why are you writing on the S?
Okay. That is the date that I put the egg in the incubator. So that if I take the date, I will see that okay, then this egg is left about 3 days. They left it about 1 week. They left it about 2 weeks for it to be hatched. So you see, um, this one, for instance, this one, the time is due. You see, there's a crack on. Yes, yes. It means that the time is due for it to hatch. You see, a lot of you see. Oh, yes. You see, yes, yes. So see all the marks, all the cracks. Yes. So this one, the time is up. What's today's date?
To 20th.
20th. Yes. So you see, it was put on the first. So this one will be due tomorrow. You get it? So all these eggs are all due. So I check the dates and I know that okay, this egg is up to this eggs is about 4 days before it can get hatched. Yes. And then it's not just like that. I monitor it with my temperature. Yes. I check the temperature very well. Yes. My temperature and my humidity. as well. I checked all this. You see, that's why when you check the down, you see that there's a water in it, there's a bulb, and there's a fan. When the temperature is above 37 degrees Celsius, the bulb goes off so that I won't have excess heat that my eggs, so that you won't even burn my embryos. Yes, the water is in to give me a proper and balanced humidity, and then the fan as well is there to also regulate the heat to the top. Yes, regulate the heat to the top so that there won't be also excess too much heat. So once the fan is blowing the air to the top, it is also blowing some outside, especially the excess ones. Yes, yes, yes. So that is how it is done, and that is how it was done. Yes. So as I'm speaking to you now, no, I don't even use it now. I used to do, but now I don't even use it. This is the down one was what I used to put water in, but it has spoiled, so I don't use it anymore. That's why I put this rubber in. It's just giving me the right humidity.
You have something that is going up.
Yes, there's a little. I've created a little hole here.
Oh,
So just the hole, yes, just the hole that it passed through to the top.
okay.
Yes, and you see all these beds here on your left. They were all hatched locally here. Any bed, including the geese, every bed that you see here, all these animals were locally hatched here. Yes, they were all locally hatched here. Yes, I hatched them myself. Yes. So yes, you see, they are all from my farms. Yes.
So the temperature, how can somebody want to, if somebody want to buy, where somebody can get some to buy?
The temperature.
Yeah.
You see, we have some shops that we buy all these things and we assemble them.
Okay.
Yes, there are certain things that you can't do it yourself. Yes, so I buy them and then I assemble them and then I use them. Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
So this one doing this incubator, it costs you how much?
This one in building it. This one hatch 350 eggs every 3 weeks, and in building it, it cost me around 1,800 cedis.
With
The fridge, the materials, and everything.
so if somebody want to get the feeder, where
Yes, if you want to get something like this, I can build one for you for 2,000 cedis.
to you
Yes,
go to where
that
the
is-
person is and you bid, or you bid it from here.
I can build it here, then the person will come and pick it.
That will not be
Yes.
expensive.
I'm picking it. But it's the same when you go to the shop and you are going to buy it. You will go and buy it from the shop and then you take taxi and you send it. You see, the reason why sometimes I even prefer building it here than you picking it. Sometimes if I see you have trust issue, I'll build it, put eggs inside, wait for 3 weeks for it to hatch, for you to see before I bring it to your farms. Or if I see that, oh, you are not such a person, then I can even come to your farms and build it, or your house to build it. Or I'll build it here, then you come and pick it.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So in case of maintenance and stuff, what?
Yes, this one, it doesn't need more maintenance, but all you have to do is you need to clean them. You see, when the animals hatch, there will be eggs leftovers. So you need to take them out because you see, those eggs leftovers, when it takes time, they generate different types of animals. You get it? They different insects that can affect the next generation. So what you have to do is make sure, me when it's hatched, you saw me removing the eggs, the leftover eggs. Immediately it's hatched, I take the leftovers out so that it won't generate any insect to come and worry me. Yes. So cleaning it regularly, um, making sure that everything is working properly, no dust in it, makes it very good shape to hatch your eggs. Yes.
So what's your future plan for this incubator?
Yeah, my future plan is to build automatic one so that even when I'm not in the house, it can turn by itself. Yes. And then what I usually even do is, because of the light off system, I add batteries so that when there's light off, we just switch it, and then the incubator will still be on, working 100%. And when there's light off as well, the eggs can take up to 12 hours without getting spoiled.
Okay, so do you plan to add solar to it in case somebody don't have farm, don't have light there?
Yes, please. Like I said, I have plans of adding solar batteries and solar system. And then moreover, sometimes there are some people when they come, they say, "Oh, our budget is very small." I build and add a car battery to it. So they use it when they get the chance, then they send the battery and charge it. And then they bring it back and then they still be using it.
So the car battery, the motor one, it can
Sorry.
take how many days?
For this,
Yeah.
it can take up to almost 2 weeks before it goes off, because this, it doesn't consume because there's no motor in it. It's just a fan and a bulb that I used. Yes. So it can even take you up to 2 weeks before it goes off,
Okay.
depending the capacity of the battery as well. Yes.
Okay. So somebody want to do breeding stock.
Yeah.
So what advice that you give the person?
A breeding stock. Yeah, I would advise the person to get his or her own incubator, or his or her animals or way that he can hatch the eggs. Because you see, when you are even sending the eggs for somebody to hatch them for you, if you don't take care, you end up getting um, bringing infections to your farms. Yes, so it's best you have your own incubator, either using the local fowls to hatch your eggs. If your eggs are not plenty, may I have 10 um, local fowls that I use. When the incubator is full, I give them the eggs, then they hatch it. Or get incubator. Check your standard, then you know the size that you want. You call us, we'll build one for you.
So this one take how many eggs?
350.
So if someone want to get 550.
Even if you want 10,000, we can build them for you. Yes.
Okay, so take for them your location.
0245 527788. 0245 527788. We are around Pukwase in Ga West, that is in Accra. Yes. Thank you.